Hi guys, it's Raquel Gardner at the Actors Mark. I wanted to talk to you today about substitutions, choices, substitutional choices when you are working with someone else in a scene, and how do you create the connection with that other person in the scene. So one of the things that I teach a lot of my clients is um, you first want to realize what you are trying to get from that person in the scene. Are you trying to get that person to love you? Is it a power scene? Is it a seduction scene? Is it a breakup scene? Is it a fight scene? Are you fearing for your life? You first determine what that is, right? What the scene is about for you. And then you determine what you want from that person. I want to get that person to leave me alone, or I need that person to love me. I want that person to worship me. I want them to think I'm amazing. I want that person to give me a job. Any choice that you make. And then once you do that, you decide for yourself who in my life is somebody that I connect with on that level. And then you can use that person so that when you're looking at, say you're looking at a reader and you don't know that person, or, we're doing so much self-taping right now. Maybe you're working with somebody on the phone, or maybe you're not working with anybody at all, and you need to envision a person in your head. It's good to envision somebody personal that that you can look at their face and you can see their face. Sometimes I even say print a picture of them out if you're doing a self-tape and put it up next to your ring light, so that way you can actually look at somebody. It's always good to have a sense of someone in your mind, so that when you're working on your material and when you're doing the audition, you have a vision of somebody. So substitutional choices are always really important. And if it's somebody that you don't know in the scene and you just want to use the person in front of you, or you want to use the reader that you have, then that's okay too. You can use that person as well. I just want to give you some tools to think about when you're breaking down your material that helps you connect deeper to your character. And this is all part of our series, Connecting Deeper to Your Character. So feel free to watch some more YouTube videos that we have on obstacles and a place, and all kinds of choices that you can make that can help you, and techniques to help you connect deeper to your character. As always, feel free to follow us on all of our other channels, our Instagram and our Facebook. We have a Facebook private membership lounge. We have 6-week intensives always running, and pop-up classes, and I do private goal coaching and career coaching. So we're always here for you at the Actors Mark. Stay tuned for some more tips and some knowledge coming your way. Talk to you soon. Bye.